Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can increase your activity level and improve your overall health and fitness. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply live a more active lifestyle, we've got some tips and tricks to help you achieve your goals.
Tip 1. Start small.
The first tip for increasing your activity level is to start small. If you're not used to exercising regularly, it can be overwhelming to jump into a rigorous workout routine right away. Instead, start with small changes to your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park further away from the store, or go for a short walk during your lunch break. Tip 2. Find an activity you enjoy. The second tip is to find an activity that you enjoy. Whether it's swimming, cycling, or playing a sport, finding an activity that you enjoy can make all the difference in your motivation to exercise regularly. Experiment with different activities until you find one that you enjoy. Tip 3. Set realistic goals. The third tip is to set realistic goals for yourself. Instead of setting a goal to run a marathon in a month, set a goal to run a mile without stopping within a certain time frame. Setting achievable goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Tip 4. Get an accountability buddy. The fourth tip is to get an accountability buddy. Having a workout buddy or someone who can hold you accountable can help you stay on track and motivated to reach your goals. Whether it's a friend or a personal trainer, having someone to support you can make all the difference.
Tip 5. Mix up your routine.
The fifth and final tip is to mix up your routine. Doing the same exercise routine day after day can get boring and may not challenge your body enough. Try incorporating different exercises into your routine, or varying the intensity of your routine, or varying the intensity of your workouts to keep things interesting. So there you have it, some tips and tricks to help you increase your activity level and improve your overall health and fitness. Remember, starting small, finding an activity you enjoy, setting realistic goals, getting an accountability buddy, and mixing up your routine can all help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more help.